الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome all of you in my class. So as you might be expecting and you might have seen from the topic, from the title of this video, that this is the video regarding the introduction to the physics as a whole. So for that you have to clarify first and foremost few things about this very course, and I will give you a kind of introduction about this course. So this course is regarding physics as is expected, and here I will be dealing with various aspects of the physics. So the motto of this very video is only that I wanna give you an introduction about the course which I am going to conduct for the next few weeks, I can say, or maybe it may take longer. So in this very course I will be dealing with the various aspects of the physics, so which might include classical mechanics, classical physics, you can say in simpler words, or Newtonian mechanics or Newtonian physics, you can say. And then coming after that will be some advanced topics like gravitation, like electromagnetism, like after that the strong forces or the nuclear ones, so on and so forth. So in this very lecture, in this very particular video, I'm just giving you the intro about how this course is going to be in the future time. So this is generally, we can say, about this video today. This is just an intro class. We can say that it's a physics intro. So in this course I will be dealing with various aspects of the physics, like, as you might be knowing, first and foremost I will be taking the Newtonian mechanics, the Newtonian mechanics, which is also known as, you might be also well aware about it, that it is also known as classical mechanics. This is the simpler of all physics lectures considered. This is the simplest of all the aspects of physics. Simplest one. So after that I will be shifting towards the advanced topics, but this very thing, which is the Newtonian mechanics, this will be dealing with the concepts given by following concepts, given by these following, like we'll be dealing with the Aristotelian theories, of physical world, we will be dealing with the Galilean concepts, Galileo, or we can write it as Galilean concepts. then the Newtonian advanced theories regarding the advancement in the Galilean concepts, which is Newtonian mechanics. Newtonian mechanics. Then after that we will be going towards the advanced topics, which might be, we can in the simpler words say that this will be including the modern physics. So this will be our, even though this is a broad, very broad concept and wider, it will include many topics which we can say it will consume a whole lifetime of ours if we deal only with these modern physics concepts only. So first and foremost, we will be dealing with this Newtonian mechanics, which will include these Aristotelian theory, which will include Galilean concepts, which will include Newtonian concepts of the mechanics, to understand the physics, to understand our universe, and our goal, our motto, and our goal should be to understand our universe. This should be our motto: to study physics, to study Newtonian mechanics, to study modern Einsteinian mechanics, to study all of these theories or all of these laws which might be dealt with in the upcoming classes. The only motto should be that it is just to understand the universe mechanism behind the working of it. Okay, so we must be dealing with the various theories given by various people so as to understand the working of the universe, This must be our primary motto and primary goal. So in that regard, we'll be dealing with the, first and foremost, we will be dealing with the simpler topics, like we will just start with the introduction to the physics, like what is physics, and this must be dealt in fewer, I can say it will just take few minutes or half an hour at most to understand this very topic. And after that we will be dealing with the physical world, where physics is applied as a whole. Excuse me. Physical world. So in few lectures which are upcoming, we will be dealing with the physics concept and its application, various applications in the physical world, or just we will be dealing with these concepts which are written over here. So like I can say here, Newtonian mechanics, this Newtonian mechanics will be we'll be covering in it the physical world, like the fundamental forces of the universe. And after that, which is the most important topic to understand, it is the motion, because everything in the universe you can see around with your own eyes also. Everything is dynamic. So we will be dealing with the motion of the bodies, like circular motion along the straight line, and dealing with that We will be dealing with the velocity concepts, with the concepts of acceleration, angular acceleration, the momentum, and after that the forces will be included. As you know that as you will be well aware that any body which possesses some force, which possesses some momentum, is exerted by force, and how that is possible actually, how that is derived actually, we will be dealing with those concepts in the upcoming classes. So these will be the few topics we'll be dealing with in the next few classes, which will be including these topics, and other topics which are included must be containing like the laws of motion, which is very much important in the Newtonian mechanics, or we can say the classical mechanics. So classical mechanics, classical or Newtonian mechanics includes the following topics. So we can say that the aspects of physics ahead, like we must be dealing with the fundamental forces, just a concept in the beginning, because fundamental forces are very much complex in nature. So we have to first give just an idea about, we have to just know that what these kinds of forces, what different kinds of forces exist inside the universe. So that must be including the fundamental forces must be dealt first. Fundamental forces, which like we can say these include we can say gravitational force, then electromagnetic force, and then it is the two types of nuclear forces, the nuclear force, and this further is it is further divided into two categories, which are strong force, strong nuclear force, we can say strong force, and weak force. So we will be dealing with these in the upcoming classes. You will be getting the knowledge about is in the upcoming classes. As the course goes ahead, you will be well aware about all these concepts. So don't worry, I'm just giving the outline of what to study or what we are going to teach you in the upcoming classes here on the School of Physics. So after that, we will be the aspects of physics which are included after that will be, like I said to you earlier, the motion or the dynamics of the systems, what a system is, how the different aspects of its internal structure and other things are dealt. We'll be dealing in those very classes, in those very lectures. So for now, I'm just giving you the idea. So it will be next upcoming classes will include these topics. Then after that, like we can say the work, which will include the force, energy, and this force, energy, and work, it will be resulting in a topic which is called as work energy theorem. Work energy theorem. This is an important topic and important concept as far as the basic understanding of the physics is concerned, or the Newtonian or classical mechanics is concerned. So after that, the topics included will be point particle system, point particle systems, and rigid body systems. Don't worry, I'm just giving you the outline of the course, of the upcoming classes, of the upcoming videos, the topics which are going to be delivered. So don't worry about the names here. Maybe you might be aware about these topics or you might not be, so don't worry, you will come to know in the upcoming lectures. So it is rigid body systems. Then after that we'll be dealing with the as I told you earlier, the gravitation here, this very thing. So after that we'll be dealing with the gravitation. This has many topics further, not to be listed here, it will take time, so in the upcoming classes you will come to know. After that you will be the knowledge about the another aspect of the physics will be dealt. So that will be the electromagnetic force, which I already mentioned earlier, electromagnetic force. This will result in Maxwell equations, a well-known fact and well-known renowned topic. Maxwell was a well-known and renowned scientist also. Maxwell equations. This is an important topic. I put a star over it. It is very, very important topic because this will result in the wave equation. Wave equation of light. This is very much important. Keep that in mind. This will be also dealt. Then after that will be the stronger forces. We'll be dealing with these stronger forces, and then stronger forces will include the nuclear forces, in fact, and after that will be the weak force. These two kinds of forces are included in the nuclear force, the weak force. These will be dealt, and in the final, the main goal of most of the scientists today is the unification of the forces, or the unification of the laws of nature, forces, whatever you can say. This will be dealt at the last because it is the most highly advanced topic. So don't worry about this advanced topic. So after that, you will get an idea about our universe, how it works, how actually the laws of physics are applied inside the universe, how the universe actually works. So hope we will try to understand our level best. We'll try to understand our level best. We'll do our level best. We can say level best. Level best, which I earlier told you, the motto of this course is to understand the universe. So we'll try our level best to understand what? To understand universe. To understand our universe, we'll try our level best to deal with the different aspects of the physics. So for that, I request you, I can say that try to be cooperative throughout the course. to understand whole of the things. So for that, subscribe and join our School of Physics. I hope this very lecture, or I can say this very video will be to some extent helpful for you, so as to get an idea about the upcoming lectures, to get an idea about the course which will be held through this channel. So for that, I need your support and cooperation. I hope for that, and I hope you will also try on your side. I will also try on my side. So for that, subscribe and join our channel, which is the School of Physics. I will see you in the next